My name is Curtis Adamick, and I'm the Human Resources Generalist here at ShopSabre. A typical day at ShopSabre for me starts out with helping employees clock in and out if there's any issues with the time clock, being there for any questions that they may have as far as could be PTO requests, could be questions that they have with benefits, workers' compensation claim. I also work with every single department here when it comes to staffing. We always want to have the best team possible to service the customers that we have, whether that is a welder, whether that is a new technical support representative or a sales associate. I'm here to support every team and every person in this building with anything that they need. My favorite thing about working at ShopSabre would have to be the team that we have in place. Everybody comes in and they collaborate with other departments. Everybody's voice is heard. Everybody will work hard together to help anybody who needs it at the time. We care very deeply about them. We do various events throughout the year. One of my favorites so far has been the Halloween costume contest and the pumpkin carving contest. We literally shut down production for a few hours and everybody just got together, had a costume contest, carved some pumpkins, and it was fantastic. But it really just comes down to what we can do for each other to help make the company successful. From a customer standpoint, what I think stands out the most is the service that they receive. From the first time they reach out to us with either a phone call or an email, they are going to be connected with a person that is genuinely caring about their individual needs, and it is all the way through the entire process from start to end of sale and all the way through the life of the machine as well. It's something that is second to none. For anybody who is looking for a career change or wanting to work at ShopSabre, I would 100% recommend it. Give me a call, submit your resume. It is a fantastic place to work. Innovation right out on the manufacturing floor. If they see something that isn't working, they're going to come up with an idea right there on the spot. There's no waiting around. We're just going to be aggressive. We're going to get right to it. One of the biggest things for us is the competitiveness that's here. We want to be the best, and we are going to continue to strive to be the best, and we're going to do whatever it takes to be the best.